Well, as a Christian Leaders Forum, it was a privilege and an opportunity to meet with our Honorable Chief Minister this afternoon. He's given us time. The purpose of our meeting with him this afternoon was actually to convey to him our concern on this legalization of gambling in the state. When the news came out that legalization of gambling in the state has happened, this gave us a shock to the forum. So in our meeting, we have issued a press release 2 days ago, and we shared our concern. Our concern is because of the immoral aspect of this. It affects the morality, the character of the citizens of the state, from individuals to families. Number two is that a person who is engaged in gambling or a problem gambler, studies have shown that there are several detrimental effects, detrimental impacts, affecting the individual's health, his mental health, one's mental health. And it also leads to criminal activities. There are possibilities of criminal activities affecting the individual, affecting the family, affecting the society in different ways. Gambling is not encouraged by all Christian leaders, all church leaders. Any form of gambling is not encouraged at all. This act having come out fast like this, we have asked the government to repeal this act. But as it has not yet been implemented, we cannot give any word now, because we need to discuss as a forum to see what is going to happen next. That decision I'm not aware of. Even the Honorable CM has not indicated that to us. So that decision and that announcement we are not aware of. Honorable Chief Minister, when we had a discussion with him, is very frank and very clear in what he has mentioned to us. The assurance is, number one, they have not started it yet. Although the act is there, they have not yet implemented it. It is still in the process of discussion. The government has not taken any decision to implement it. If at all this is implemented, the stakeholders will be, the views of different stakeholders will be taken, the public especially, number two. And he has also indicated that there will be several steps, several rules to protect, rules of protection for the local people, for the Shillongs, for the citizens of the state. There will be rules laid out for protection of the local people. And the last thing is that the intention is for generation of revenue for the state on different projects, development works. So this is the assurance that he gave to us, that the locals will be protected. If at all this is implemented and they go ahead with this. As I said, the Honorable CM, he said that many gaming parlors with a tendency to gambling. Gaming parlors in Police Bazaar, in Polo area are there, and they have been there for the last 20 plus years. And these are small parlors and with the tendency of gambling happening, and anyone who plays online and gamble. We have no knowledge of that actually. And what the CM said is that these need to be regulated. They can't just be free and unregulated like that.